drowning in timesheets and struggling to calculate those extra hours. Let's tame the chaos with Google Sheets and turn your time-tracking nightmares into a streamlined dream in just a minute and a half. First, set up your spreadsheet. Columns for employee name, date, start time, and end time are essential. Then add columns for total hours and overtime hours. This structure keeps everything organized. Ensure your date column is formatted correctly. Go to Format, Number, and select Date. This prevents calculation errors later. Format your start time and end time columns similarly. Go to Format, Number, and choose Time. This ensures accurate hour calculations. Now, for the magic. In the total hours column, input the formula to subtract start time from end time. This gives you the total hours worked that day, presented as a decimal. Next, calculate overtime. In the overtime hours column, use a formula that checks if the total hours exceed 8. If it does, calculate the difference. If not, enter 0. This instantly shows extra hours. To count actual workdays, the Networkdays function is your best friend. Use this to subtract weekends and holidays to find billable hours. Remember to create a list of holidays in a separate range and reference it in the formula. Finally, drag these formulas down to apply them to all rows. Now you have a dynamic time tracking sheet that automatically calculates regular and overtime hours, simplifying payroll and project management.